Abusiafo ene adofonom akwabasonko enkoma obibia sedane da munya ebre eji edwa etie ensem a ye munuaba ekwesi kapamede ebesomo ewokan wahala dwumedie yi eso wonim se mije edwa sedane chese ensem no die ekotwi ekobrema ya so ane se mampon hina bomu ye baba pinsem ensem no emu na ya pe ni nyina ne pomasibre na adwenche bia wo no watimi ede atu edwa ene dey Honorable Kennedy Japan ababontin edinsim bi ababatu edwa nchiremu anaganafo ehwehwe no waba ababechiremu ede aman ni nyina efa enada ensem a ekọ sofa NDC pastor na se NDC prophet omo eche no ana wokuta eye marijuana no eno eho ensem enene de yeba ababebobo eho na mayemora eye ensem no emu ewe Ghana for say dem di kan ekan ye no eye sofo a na eno ada eye apostle kwabena owusu ejei ebeto edwa ese eye national security for ensa akano na wo monsa so ni mu no eye wiyi na ebi ewo ne nchen a chese wodi hu edwuma enesa na ye nua be maye obi a mobeka ye wona bo Kennedy Japan etina eye the sea show eye edwada no wodi ni video bi babontia na wo ka eye ensem a efa eye president ye mampenya wote akonya so ene Honorable Kennedy Japan na nkasa emu ehu na eno no ode ensem bi etu edwa na wo biebie nyoma eni so echemu se ye Honorable Kennedy Japan die moja ne ho kroneba eho adwuma ena wo mu ede ne ye mampanyi his excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo ye je bi Danko aduni guo na wo wu ye no krampo no eye wo mu ena eku no ebiemu enso no ye ode tudwa ma yete ase se Honorable Kennedy Japan wose ane ye mampanyi wonim nyansa timamufo enim nyansa MPP fo ebi nim nyansa na eno ena wo wie ya no wode nani esa ko eye yisim agemensa eso ekeka ono so ne nsanse pasa echire mu da wo bewuo nyina ede eka ho na no na hye Honorable Kennedy Japan abufo ma wokotena eye na fidi kase so na tu wono so amfa ne ho anche no ekeka se wono emom ya apostle kwabena owusu ejei no wono mum ene bewuo se de wo kase ya agemensa ne bewu no mum ene bewu sa awiakete no na wono da ben ene wono ne ba ne nchen ewo eye mashebe fia na enkrofo 45 eye aduonu enum ewo ne nchen aduana enum sorry ewo ne nchen a we ebusa se ane mi peska me school fees say we nyina eye entro na wono won sori ahomache 5 enkwa adwuma so aden woye adwuma de magana fo ni nyina wo chirichire mu ede eto honum na enum a ene beto eja se eye emra sofo yi ete eye NDC fo wo mo eye live station a wo mo ye se ebi o mo ye campaign anaso wo mo di dwuma bi a wo mo de to live no ekwo ena no wo a wo keka ensem bie mu esan edefa eye mampanyi ene eye ne nkrofo ehu na enum a ena national security fo ekokọ do anu kokọ so ni mu a chese abrantie yi ya ntoto na no ya hwehwe obi a o ye interview ne ho nkroneba afi ya toto na no ne ye de bi ho ne se wi yeah illegal yes say o maye illegal for medicinal and purposes no eno ebi ewo ne enchen na eno na chese journalist for na wo mo ewo honom no wo mtwitwa ehu emfonyi ede ebebetu edwana Ghana fo binum ebo anyo so na eno na binum ka say oh there bi ade yi de eye MPP for na say Honorable Kennedy Japan enkrofo a na ahye da planted this eye wi ewo apostle yi enchen say de be ya ye be ka say wodi enuboni hu adwuma se na ebe ya ebe ka se we se nipa we de o se e kan send this for de atutrasem ene hu kro ne ba de wo mo eye ade ewo ehu ntina dodo na do sobo no ebo eye MPP edom kesia ewo mahebe de fie no ene eye MP for Asin Central Honorable Kennedy Japan se wonu emom ena ahyeda ya ade no se de ebe ya o mudi begum eye apostle kwabena owusu ejeyi enim ase na eye Honorable Kennedy Japan hwe se de ensem no ekona emra okotena eye Asempa FM ekosi sen dwumadie yi eso eno no nso edi etu edwa se he Ghana for se de mo ka se ana ya ade ya planning a ya hyeda ahyehyɛ something fish bi ewo mu no enye sa na ti o nipa na muhunu no wonye se de muhunu no de ekoso no no kre na besides enye national security form ene twitwa emfonyin na mum journalist for ene twitwa saa emfonyin no enti obi amememe ka se planting bi a MPP for epeso mo de gu papa no enimu ase because of say wo NDC for afa eni na nse mo de tu edwa na eni say this man claiming to be a pastor is a chronic weed smoker and a thief, so it is not surprising they found some on him. Journalists there took the video and they were with the officers throughout the operation, so claim that the weed was planted are bogus. We enen someone what the etu ejana ebusian for ena se ka koyeti ne kokko nu nti moma yenko tie emfiri one abo Canada Japan wono ankasa ne num asema what the etu eja
yeah. Really need a papa now. I don't think that when you are not able to cry and say, oh, my planting, I have Cuba, that's your to give out defense. No, which is any power. Any power, media, what in your war. If you don't know, I'm telling you, that media war, and the media war already at the end have you also thought about that? It was open. Media war not enter the picture. They were there before the national security body.
You see, say on a
I don't say media for the job and the national security for that's what we
no, but I will say there are two videos out. Back when baby media for one on Babette. The second video when on when they call national security Australia Ukra Indian hemp no one in some hand coffee good in some. I'm not too sure the media for the capture.
Media for woman capture. All the capture, get your part and see.
Wey ene and some honorable Canada Japan what the etu Jonah say the Ghana for binom edwin say wonom anase ne mra shebedwafo anase ne MPP adwumayefo no bi no e na wo mo sheda yes ade we say de biom de begu NDC anase apostle kwabena a owusu agye hu efimpa de a ene na enye sakra na etiem na emom ade a wodi hu adwuma na journalist for national security for ekoko PSO no wo mo ensa eso ni mo entinia ekoso no enya de se sa na mu ehu no se bia wo mo na planti bibi no enye no krebe de biara eda na wodi nsem we atu edwa ewie ye na Ghana for bi no so so eche wo madwen ewo ehu na mo yenkotie adwenche ni bi a ebaye ye nua Christiana ede wode ebe o se honorable Kennedy Japan. Why are you answering every question in this country? Why are you now our ansania ono so ede wode ebaye no say honorable say MP adwuma na ye de ama na say say de enye no ho adwuma na wo ye biem ansem bia bebe bia wo ba bonte no be ya no eji se yanka no ba bonte no be ya ade say de wada ne kasama for de ama wo bia te so bia busa bibia ba be ya no ana ono so ensem musa eno no Alex Akudu Eduku ede awode eba o say if it was planted on him, NDC should provide him a lawyer like they did to other criminals. Ono so ede no say samususu say honorable Canada Japan ene na pamfo ene na manyoko MPP ena aheda yes ade we no modi egu papa nanimu ase de ene NDC for mo sore waka na mo provide lawyers na wo mo entimi enka enfama apostle said the maye ede ama ebinum no ye nua bi dia wode eba ni din enka ho this is an allegation. Chris Edia wade eba say, wow, I don't believe we was planted on him, but even if it was planted, he should have known the best as a pastor. The kingdom of God is your message. In politics, especially in Africa, except worse and terrible things like what he is going through now. Ono so Edia wade eba ye enono. Lamdi Edia wade eba ye or say, wait until the sniffer dogs are brought to your house with Horion staff into your home and office to set up before you will know the shoe size the pastor is wearing. You are never above setup. You know the law about narcotics, broken. Know when to come out from African politics, which render you poor at the end of your life. Yenya Lucas Bonnie Edia Wade Eba your same. It is true. We all see the action of the security and the video. Imora Abdullah Edia Wade Eba say, did you guys check? Or say, did you guys check his Dimona on also Edia Wade Eba and on Paul Opoku Edia Wade Eba say President Kennedy Ejapon, you do all here. This one day we have to vote for you because you are doing a marvelous work. God bless you so much. We any adwenche be eba ye efa and someone ababeto eja apostle owusu eje ne chia ya che eno no ensema Ghana fo bi no wesusu se nanka MPP ene ewo mo enkrofo no bi na edi se adwuma na wono bo Kennedy Japan aba be yi ensema no wo mo suso ache wo madwen ede afon wo so wo fe san na wo hu ne sifa wo da so gina wo stand se MPP for ene di se adwuma ana se papa na adwuma wo die ene ya afei ene ya baba be pie ne so ane so krata anase won say said the moon na MPP NDC from tutra sam no nyoma won pese won mu yenti na we ma omo edisa edwuma we yana se the wadwen echewu esi efebia no fabra e wo tuma GH comment section ebie mu so share video no efoma abusuafo adofonom ene enamfofo enyina like your videos na follow your Instagram page so @tumagh_ na emrepam ne edimagyenche ebetu edwa midin ene ekria sikapa dasene yebesene share makro
the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na wo subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura